Another daily tip. Some of these social media home inspectors would cross-thread a light bulb. Today's topic, social media home inspectors. I put them in the same category as those toxic news stations on cable TV. Their main focus is to educate the public, but also to inflict fear. Does that in any way sound familiar? Now look, before we get too carried away, are there bad home builders? Yes. Are there bad house flippers? Of course. Are there bad home inspectors too that have their own narrative? Absolutely. Only thing I want you to do with this information is to educate yourself. If you follow these guys, I think that's great. I really encourage you to do that because you really can learn a lot. But I also want you to make sure you're getting the other side of the story. So find somebody that builds beautiful homes and posts awesome work that probably don't have any sort of a punch list. It is doable. And it happens all the time. One of the biggest things I encourage in my comment section is for people to think for themselves. It's super important to be an educated consumer. If you guys have good recommendations for people to follow, put those in the comment section so we can continue to build this community. That's good enough for now. Let's carry on.